Well, do you need more proof that it is a water damaged car?
Welcome back everyone, this is W15's garage. As you can hear, my voice is on holiday, but I don't care, I'm not gonna let this stop me to work on the car. It's been a while since I made any progress, but today I'd like to carry on. At the moment the cylinder head is off. It's already been repaired. I couldn't do it myself because I caught a cold, and yeah, I didn't have time for that. All exhaust valves were bent. Now they are replaced. I have the cylinder head already, cylinder head gasket, bolts, everything is here. So I like to share the plan with you I came up with. So we know the car needs piston rod. It's bent, so that's the only thing that prevents us now to put the car back together. So what I'm gonna do, upon further inspection, the timing chain has been replaced. It has an original timing chain. There are a few clues that showed me that the silicone, it's not original. The engine removal hoist, the hooking point is twisted. So this engine was out already, and luckily the timing chain is an original one. It's not stretched, it is fine. So I am not gonna bother with that. So this way I can leave the engine in the car. I only have to remove the bottom, the oil pan, so I have access to cylinder number 2. I can push out the bent piston and then replace with a good one. But luckily for that, I don't have to remove the engine. So I made this as easy as possible for me because I want to move on and do bigger projects. So I'm gonna try to do it quickly. So the plan today is to sum it up. Push the control number 2 out, the piston, check the number, order one, and then hopefully in the next 3-4 days I can finish this project and move on. So I'm gonna try to speak as little as possible today and do as much as possible, mechanical work. My voice is terrible, even worse than usually. So let's start disassembling this engine, what's left of it. Car will go up and then we're gonna go from there. Yeah, let's do this.
Well, do you need more proof that it is a water damaged car? It's leaking water from everywhere. Everywhere. I undo a bolt, I tilt something and bang, water just So this is where we are at the moment. Gearbox removed, flywheel, wheel pan, oil pump, and that is our, damaged con rod. All I have to do now to undo these two bolts and push it up, and finally I can have a look on the number, because every BMW uses different sizes in different engines according to the horsepower and Newton, the torque. So we need to order the correct one. So I'm just gonna do that. Let me just quickly remove these two bolts and push the whole thing up. Yeah. 5, 4, 3. Same as the other one. Slightly maybe. You see? Just a little bit. So ladies and gentlemen, we have our problem. This conrod is crushed. No wonder it was a bit shorter. It's almost visible with the naked eye. Have a look. Not by much, but it's enough to cause problems. So what we need now, I have to find a good replacement one. 543 is the number. Everything else looks good. I'm quite happy with the the bearings, everything, the condition. So from now on, it's only the matter of time, to find one, order one, and then we are back on business. I can start, reassembling the engine. So I think that's it for today. I quickly have to buy one of these, and then we are going from there. But before I'm leaving, I like to make some progress and clean the camshafts. As you could see in the previous video, this car was a neglected one, and the camshafts and everything was built up with sludge. So I like to make some progress on this side as well. By the time we have the pistons, I don't have to spend unnecessary time cleaning it up. So I like to clean this whole mess. It's not a funny thing to do, trust me, but I'm making good progress. Petrol is working perfectly. I'm gonna show you the results in the next and final episode. So thank you very much for watching. I apologize, my voice is terrible. I'm not gonna force it anymore. Thanks for watching, take care, and see you at the next one. I promise the next one is the ending one, and I will finish it and we will attempt to start the car. Take care, and all the best.